Hi guys, Owen here. You want to see something cool? It's a McDonald's French fries box. See, there's a McDonald's sign. Anyways, this has no French fries. See, there's 0 French fries. Yep. I'm gonna go get another one. This one has still 0 French fries. It's still 0. All 2 boxes have no 0 fries. Yeah, it has no 0 fries. La 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 la. Oh, hey Cuckoo, Owen. Hey Cuckoo, what you doing? Not so bad. What you got there? I got some fries for you. Fries? There's 0 fries. Oh, there's 0 fries. What's the matter with you, Cuckoo? This one also has 0 fries. Owen, you said that this box has 0, and then this box has 0. Owen, what the heck are we going to do? Then go buy one at McDonald's then. Go buy one at McDonald's.